I swear to God.
What the fuck? What are you doing? Hey! Quit beating me! Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-dah, doo-dah. Hope I get away with it. Let me get a brrrr. Thank you. Is that a White Claw? Who did... Who did poop?
Excuse me? No, we do not trim the tree this way. Hey! Oh my God.
Every time I'm in the kitchen, you in the kitchen.
On your mark, get set, go.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
Fuck!
Yep, sometimes I gotta beat the ladies off with a stick. Back, woman! Back us!
No, it's not over there. Maybe it's in the ground here. No. I can feel it.
Alisat.
No. 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 What?
No, no. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No! No! Ugh. Winston! Winston! Hey, no! Winston! No! Dude, no!
Meet me at our spot. Come on, baby.
Willie took toilet paper from the bathroom like an a-hole during our Passover Seder.
I'm putting him on the cat tree since Romy took the dog bed.
My mom and dad decided to take me to Cabela's for the first time. I really thought the raccoon was real.
Right. No. Don't. Right. No. 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 Stop. No. No. Right. No. 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 What? Right. No.
What the f y'all doing? Y'all rationing around here? Come on, hook me up. 2 little string beans. Give me the goddamn string beans. I want some fucking devil eggs. I like fruit. Don't you like fruit? I like fruit.
Oh, are you guys doing your own version of Shen Yun? Wow. Okay. Ooh, thank you.
Don't stick your fingers in there. Wait, wait, wait. What you doing? What a shit. That's my paper.
Sam, do you want to come in? Come in. Okay.
What the f are you doing, Giz?
1 hour later.
What are you doing now? Oh, a fly!
Oh.
He was striking one of those little gnats. What the?
When your dog don't play about you.
What? Who got into my food? Oh my God. You little shit. Satan, was that you? Did you get into my food? Why, you little shit.
Oh my gosh.
Off the step.
Wait.
Hey!
We found this cat in the dog food.
Hey, okay. Hey, listen, focus. Hey.
Can you calm down?
Yo, why is he looking at me like that? What's up, little bud? Got a staring problem, pal?
Whiskey! Hey! Hey! Kids food? Oh, Boogie! No! No, that's lady's food! Hey! Hey! Drop it! Drop it.
That's not food, ma'am.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol.
Hey, no. Missy, no.
God jul Anton!
Fast away the old year passes. La 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 la.
Olha pra mamãe.
Hail the new year, lads.
Ai, meu
La 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 la. Sing we joyous